welcome back. I hope you guys are all safe at home, practicing social distancing with your family. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cute bookmark holder. You can use this for a book that you're reading. You can use it for your homework just to hold your place. And I'll show you like fun ways to do different variations of this. So what you need for this project is a piece of, oh, I have two. Okay, well, you just only need one piece of origami paper unless you want to make multiple. Then you can have more than one. Scissors, a pencil, glue. If you have tape, you can use that instead. And then I just have here, a bunch of scraps of paper because this is what we're going to use to decorate our monster origami. So if you have construction paper, you can use that if you want to draw it on. So say if you do like a lighter color, like white, then you can use marker and color in the eyes and dots and stuff like that if you want to do that as well. First, you're going to take your square origami piece of paper and you're going to fold it. So you have it as a square, you're going to turn it like a diamond, and we're going to fold it left to right. So we're going to fold left side to the right side. Very similar to what we've done in pretty much all of our videos. And I'm going to crease it. Then you're going to open that up. And now you're going to fold. You're going to fold it in half again, but this time you're going to fold the bottom to the top. And then you're going to crease it. Then you're going to take this top part, so this top flap, the first one, and you're going to fold it down to meet. So you're going to fold it down, and just when the top point meets the bottom, you're going to crease it. So you're going to have something that looks like this, like a little, I don't know what you would call this, but something that looks like this. So now what you're going to do is you're going to, we've done this several times, but I just want to, you're going to fold it in. You're going to do this on both sides. You're going to fold it in to meet at the same place where you folded this down and crease it, and then you're going to do that the same on the exact side. So you're going to fold it in, make sure that it aligns well, crease it, and then you're going to do the same on the exact side. You're going to crease it. So when you do that, you should have something that looks kind of like an envelope. So now you're going to unfold that. And now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this up. So when you're done folding, so when you're done doing it on this side and doing it on the opposite side, it should look like a diamond. So you're going to fold it up to meet at the center. And take your time with this, make sure that it lines exactly in the center because you don't want a hole. Kind of like this, you see how there's like a hole? Mine didn't align best, so try and take your time to align it well. If you can't, it's fine. So you're gonna take this side, fold it up. When it meets in the center, crease it. So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Kind of like the tulip we did. It's literally the same as like when we did the tulip, except for we're meeting in the center. Right? So we're gonna unfold that again. So now you have something that looks like an origami trying to hug you. So we have this little pocket here. So what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna just kind of fold it up again like we did before, but now we're gonna take this top part and we're just gonna tuck it in to this little pocket that we have. Then we're gonna take this side, fold it up like we did before, and we're just gonna fold it in as well. And crease it. And if you crease it well, it should go in with no problem. And now what we're gonna do is turn it this way. And now we upload your projects on Google Classroom so we can put it on the Parsons Community Instagram to share with everyone in the after school program. Okay? So first thing first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the eyes. So I'm gonna take a white piece of paper, and I'm just gonna take my pencil because it will make it easier for me, and I'm just gonna draw 2 circles. And then I'm gonna take my scissor and I'm just gonna cut that out. And take your time with this. Please try your best not to cut your hands. If your mom's available or sibling is available to help you with this, I advise asking them to help you if they can. If not, try and draw larger circles so it's a lot easier for you. But just take your time. And a good tip to cutting is you cut, especially cutting circles, you're gonna cut it and then you're gonna just turn the paper. You're gonna cut some more, then you're gonna turn the paper. Then you're gonna cut, and you're gonna turn the paper, cut. And as you get practice this more, it'll just become second nature with you guys. And then we have our eyes. So now I'm gonna grab my glue. I know what's wrong with today, I can't say words. Now I'm gonna grab my glue, and I'm going to put the glue on the side where I can see my pencil. I'm gonna get some glue on there. Then I'm gonna glue my eyes down. Now this is a monster, so his eyes don't have to be the same way our eyes are. So I'm gonna paste that down as well. We have our eyes on. Now I kind of want to give him wings, but I don't want to waste more paper. I wonder if I can give him, I'll do pink wings. Okay, so I'm gonna just, if you want to do wings, you're just gonna cut a small square out of paper. I'm gonna do it the same color as mine. And then you're just going to cut 2 triangles out of it. Make the wings. So, grab your glue. I'm gonna put the glue on the tiniest part of my triangle. And then I'm gonna paste it on the back of it. And then I'm gonna do the same on the opposite side. The glue on the tiniest part of the triangle. Then I'm going to glue it onto the back. Now I'm going to do the pupils. So I'm going to just cut another tiny square out of the black piece of paper. Or should I do blue eyes? I might do blue eyeballs just to be different. So for the pupils, you kind of want your circles to be slightly smaller, so it can fit inside your white circles. So I like to use the pencil because it's easier for cutting out the shape. Remember, like I told you, you're gonna cut, you're gonna turn the paper, you're gonna cut, you're gonna turn the paper, try. Okay, so when you feel like you have 2 solid circles that you want to use, you're gonna glue them onto your eyes. So this is what my eyes look like. I think I want to do the inside of his mouth, so I'm gonna also do it blue. So if you can, just cut off a square, a good size square, for the inside of the mouth, inside of their mouth. And I'm just gonna cut it in half to just give me a triangle. Okay, so for me it's a little too big, so I'm just gonna cut off the sides a little bit. So it kind of looks like this. And I'm gonna stick it inside the mouth so it looks something like this. If you guys want to add a tongue, you can. Instead of doing the inside of the mouth, if you want to do a tongue, you can, kind of like I did with this one. For this one I did a tongue and I did the inside of the mouth. It's totally up to you guys. Give him teeth. So I'm just gonna cut off a strip of paper. I'm actually gonna use this little strip right here. If it's easier, I definitely would suggest doing like zigzags on the paper with pencil and then tracing that outline with a pair of scissors. So if I have something that looks like this, now I'm gonna take my scissor and I'm gonna follow along that line. And like I said in the beginning, if you guys don't want to waste paper, because we are, you know, we're limited in supplies, I definitely wouldn't mind, or I would definitely recommend just drawing on your faces. So it would probably be better if you use like, not like a dark blue like this, but like any light color construction paper or origami paper that you have, and adding it on by hand, and it'll still look cool. So I have my teeth, and I'm gonna stick it inside like this, see how it looks, and then I'm just gonna add glue to this top part right here and attach it to the top of the monster's mouth. So, see, the more things you add, the more it comes together. So just feel free to keep cutting random shapes and just adding decorations to him. If you want to give him a nose, you can give him a nose. If you want to give him spots, do for tiny detail. I'm actually just gonna go in with marker, because I don't know, I'm having a hard time trying to get tiny details on him, and I don't want to cause injury with the scissors, so I'm actually just going to get some marker. So I'm gonna take my navy blue marker and I'm just gonna give him freckles on like his forehead. Something like that. Doesn't look the same because it's not paper. I also added a tongue off camera and I folded it up to give it a little bit of dimension. But this is all for today, guys. I'm gonna keep it really simple. Just something that you can use to hold your place when you're doing homework, when you're flipping throughout pages, or in your favorite book. Don't forget to upload your photos on Google Classroom. We are uploading them as well on our Instagram and Facebook. So definitely let us know in the comment section if that's okay with you guys. And I'll see you guys next week, okay? Stay safe. Bye.